Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fine, safe, and happy at home. Today we are going to learn a new chapter in maths, that is division. What is the name of the chapter? It is division. So if any question is asked with us that what is division, we will tell when a total of things or objects are distributed into equal groups, it is known as division. मतलब कि जब कोई भी टोटल नंबर अगर हम लोग को दिया जाता है उसको ग्रुप्स में या पार्ट वाइज अगर हम लोग उसको बांटना है तो उसको हम लोग डिवीजन कहते हैं. हिंदी में हम लोग डिवीजन को क्या कहते हैं? भाग करना, मतलब उसका अंश निकालना या उसको टुकड़ों में बांटना. डू यू गेट स्टूडेंट्स? नाउ नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज डिवीजन हैज 4 parts. Division itself is having 4 parts. What are they? First one is divisor. What is the meaning of divisor? The number which divides is known as divisor. Second one is quotient. The answer we get on dividing the numbers is known as quotient. Dividend. Dividend means the number to be divided is known as dividend. And the last one is remainder. The number that remains after dividing is known as remainder. So in division, how many parts are there? There are 4 parts. Number 1 is divisor, number 2 is quotient, number 3 is dividend, and number 4 is remainder. Now comes the symbol of division. The symbol of division is this one. 1 line in between and 2 dots up and down. That is the symbol of division. Now I will give you some few examples. Now suppose here are 6 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balls are there. And you all are 3 friends. Okay. Now 6 balls are there. How will you distribute these balls among 3 friends? So this will be 2. This will be 2. And this will be another 2. Now we will divide 6 with 3. I hope all of you know the tables of 3 or 6, because while doing division it's very necessary to know the tables properly. So 3 divided by 6. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So each friend will get how many balls? 2 balls. Each friend will get 2 balls. Now see this over here. This 3 is known as divisor. Just now I have made you all understand that division is having 4 parts. The first part is divisor. This number is known as divisor. Second part is quotient. The answer what we got after dividing is known as quotient. Third part is dividend. The number in between, the number which we have got to divide, that is known as dividend. And this one 0, we have got the remainder. This is the remainder part. Okay. Now another example I'll give you. Suppose here are 10 trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here are 10 trees. And how many gardeners are there? 5 gardeners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 gardeners are there. So each gardener will get how many trees? So you have to divide 10 with 5. Okay. Now 10 is the number and with 5 we have to divide. 5 tables is 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. So each gardener will get how many trees? Each gardener will get 2 trees each. Okay. Now suppose one more number I am telling you. One more number is suppose 11. Okay, you have to divide it with 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. We can't divide with 4 because 11 is smaller and 12 is bigger number. So the smaller number we have to bring over here. So 3 threes are 9. We will write over here 3 threes are 9. Now we have to subtract. 11 minus 9 is how much, students? 11 minus 9 is isn't it? So this is the divisor, this is the quotient, this is the dividend, and this one is the remainder. Okay. Hope students you all have understood little bit also about division. For today only this much I am explaining you. In next class I will teach you more about divisions. Thank you dear students. Take care and be safe at home.